Hi viewers, welcome back to Kala Style. In this video, let me see how to prepare curry leaves podi or karvepaku podi in an easy and healthy way. You can prepare and store it for 6 months in an airtight container or in a glass jar. Come on, let me see the ingredients. Take 1 large glass of curry leaves, wash it well thoroughly, drain it in colander, transfer that into white cotton cloth so that it absorbs all the moisture from it. Later we can use it for our recipe. To this 1 tablespoon of tur dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 7 garlic pods, make sure to not peel the skin, 6 to 8 red chili. You can increase or decrease as per your spiciness because my red chilies are very hot. Salt as per the taste, half teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 2 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 3 teaspoon of peppercorns. There are various methods to prepare curry leaves podi, but this is how I usually prepare this and store it. Now take the kadai, switch on the flame, add 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use it any kind of oil. To this add tur dal, urad dal, red chili. Saute it well for at least 5 minutes. If you plan to prepare this podi for post-delivery women, just add all the listed ingredients except urad dal and tur dal. Now the red chili are cooked. You can take it out from the pan and keep it aside in the plate. Now it's time to add peppercorns as well as jeera. Saute it again well. Keep sauteing until all the ingredients turns to golden in color or else it start burning. Make sure to cook in a low flame. Now you can add hing or asafoetida and give a good mix again. Now remove everything from the pan and just keep it aside. In the same pan, you can add oil of 1 teaspoon. Add curry leaves. To this add tamarind and just give a good mix. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can add the garlic pods and give a good mix again. We need to cook until the curry leaves turns to crisp. Now it's all been done. You can switch off the flame, transfer it in a plate, keep it in a room temperature everything. In a blending jar, add the dal and red chili first and just give in a pulse mode for 2 to 3 times. Later on you can add one by one all the ingredients like curry leaves, tamarind, again give a 2 to 3 times of pulse mode, then add rock salt, blend everything. Finally you need to add the garlic pods. Now our curry leaves podi is ready. Now transfer this podi in a plate and keep it aside for about 1 hour. Later you can transfer it in a glass jar or in a airtight container. This podi goes well with hot rice and ghee. Add this recipe for thrice in a week. If you like this recipe, just give thumbs up button. Drop your comments below. Never forget to subscribe my channel.